As you see, the brake lights are working when I'm backing up. But when you pull off, the brake lights are not working. They are not on.
Yes, the brake lights weren't coming on while I was driving. So now,
Got a new brake
that's the
switch.
second one I got, because the first one, it wasn't the right size. Everything looked the same, but it wasn't the right size. That one was bigger. This one, as you see, leveled it up. There we go. Right there. Perfect. This is right here. Got some clips. And right there. Right here, got this. Take this out. There it is. Pushed in and pushed out. When you slide it in, it goes in like that. Slide in like that. Hit that to clip it. This part will go into right there where the brake pedal is. It has a little rubber part, a little black, where it slides right in right there. Then we're going to connect it.
Yeah, I see it. Yeah. Okay. Let's do this.
The old one, now we got the new one.
Now, lights off the way. Come up here with that so I can get a real good look. Gotta push it in. See the brake right here? This got to be it right when it goes in. Now. Just a little bit more. What you're looking at right here is where the brake switch sensor goes. You see the grooves right here? It sits right in there. There's up and there's bottom. Now, my right hand was getting a little stuck right here because I was holding it, but I couldn't clip at the same time. So I came up with a little method in putting some tape on the top of it and taping it down, as you see, so I could put the clip in. I could just push it right in because it kept popping out. Now, here we go. We're going for the drive to test it to see if the lights are coming on. As you see, the brake lights are on.
I'm the doctor. Just completed another patient, 2017 Kia. Now, put sensor switch. You had to get under here. It's in the back. Me, I loosened up this cover right there because I'm a little bit bigger. It helped me. It's right under there. Disconnect and disconnect.
Here's the brake switch right here. I got it Autozone, cost $30. Numbers right here. And the brake switch is working, and there we go.